Quarter marshals are ready, and our drivers are ready. We're going racing in less than 5. All right, guys, this is race number 21. Race number 22, you should be heading through tech. 12 scale 13.5. Got a couple guys maybe marshaling that will need an extra minute after this race, so we will give an extra minute or 2 after this race to make sure everybody is ready for the next one. Some not quite direct overlap, but racing, marshaling, and racing is always a tight way to do it. Pantana out in front. He's been dominating this class. The orange car in through the middle and coming across the start finish line now. The matte fluorescent orange down the back stretch. We got a battle for third here, guys. Eric Falk in the second spot. Then a scramble for third down the back straightaway. Yam, Mavracus, Balatico. One minute in and 4 minutes left to go, guys. 1 minute in and 4 minutes left to go. Pantana out in front by 4.4. Falk in the second spot. Out in front again by 1.1. All right, here is our battle for second down off the end of the straightaway. Our top driver is across the start finish line. He's already started to check out on him. TQ'd round number 1 and never looked back. Dominated A1, looking at a championship title here if he can win A2. So we'll focus in on the battle for second over on the right-hand side and going back in through the center of the course. The green and black with Balatico right behind him. They're trying to sniff a move out across the start-finish line. 15.9 and 15.9, identical lap times for our second and third place drivers. Fourth place lurking out there, the other fluorescent orange car. That's Jason and then Jim Yam rounding out the top 5. 2:15 down, 2:45 left to go again. 2:15 down, 2:45 left to go. Everett in 6th, Alton in 7th, Valici in the 8th position. Trouble at the start finish line, we're clear. Okay, the hold for the black and green guys, give them the spot.
Go, Mike.
Thumbs up from Mason, thank you guys, I missed that one. 2 minutes and 20 seconds left to go. Got 2:20 left to go. Nick out in front. John Balatico in second. Eric in third, followed by Jim and Jason. Michael, Jake, and Tino to complete the running order here. 3 down and 2 to go. Got 3 down, 2 to go. One minute and 45 seconds left to go. We got 1:45 left. Thank you, Tino. Good driving, Tino. How about Tino in the middle, guys? All right, so we have the vintage cars out there, but Tino had the most vintage car out here this week. The rusty old Winnebago, that thing was cool. A fully converted old 70s toy with the convertible. All right, Pantana, Balatico, and Falk are top 3. The battle's gonna be for third between Falk and Mavracus, separated by 7/10. So that's across the start finish line. Mavracus in the orange Z28s there. So the Camaro trying to find a move on the green and black of Eric Falk. Looks like they both have similar body there. Down the back stretch, yeah. I don't know if that's oh man, the orange one trying to find an angle that wasn't quite there, so Eric gonna hold on to the third spot. We only got 30 seconds left to go, and then Jason tagging the board, so Eric with some breathing room now in third. 20 seconds left to go, guys. Nick, John, and Eric. 3 seconds left to go. Pantana, Ballantico, and Falk, and the white flag is out. Tino, you are done. When you cross the start finish line, you're done. Will Jason find a move on Eric? No. Eric gonna hold on to third. Jason gonna finish in fourth. Nick, you're done with the win. And that's the championship for Nick Pantana. So congratulations to Nick. A win in A1, a win in A2. That's our VTA champion. All right, so Nick's gonna sit out A3.